In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become more confident and fluent in Irish by being aware of and using the Irish word níos. Níos is a great way to introduce adjectives into your Irish language conversation so that you can describe someone or something in a better and more effective way. I'm going to show you what I mean right now. So, te means hot or warm. Níos teo means hotter or warmer. Níos teo. Tá sé ag éirí níos teo. It is getting warmer. Tá sé ag éirí níos teo. Fuar is cold. Fuar. And níos fuara is colder. Tá sé ag éirí níos fuara. It is getting colder. Tá sé ag éirí níos fuara. Ag éirí there is a really useful verbal noun. It just means getting, becoming, or developing into something. And it's certainly worth knowing and remembering because it can be used with all of the níos words that we're going to look at in this video. Ag éirí níos teo, getting warmer. Ag éirí níos fuara, getting colder. Ord is tall or high. Níos airde is taller or higher. Tá sí níos airde ná an chuid eile. She's taller than anyone else. Tá sí níos airde ná an chuid eile. Álainn means lovely or beautiful, and níos áille means more beautiful or more lovely. Tá sé I bhfad níos áille anseo. It's far more beautiful here. Tá sé I bhfad níos áille anseo. Tábhachtach means important, and níos tábhachtaí means more important. Tá do shláinte níos tábhachtaí ná aon rud eile. Your health is more important than anything else. Tá do shláinte níos tábhachtaí ná aon rud eile. Crua means hard or firm or stern. Crua. And níos crua means harder or firmer or sterner. I bríonn sé níos crua ná an chuid eile. He works harder than others. I bríonn sé níos crua ná an chuid eile. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, just click on the bell notification as well. So I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you very much for watching. Slán go fóill.